Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G72 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. Begin by opening Play Store. Now just install your new default apps. I will go with Opera mini browser. As you can see, I already have it, so I can tap on Home button right away and go into Settings. In Settings, click on Apps section over here under Connected Devices, then click on Default Apps and click on the best section for you. For example, I want to change browser apps, I have to click on this one, then click on Opera Mini in order to choose it and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!